Welcome back to Bloodline Bikers, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to check the oil level on your Honda Africa Twin. Now, many people are used to checking the oil level on motorbikes a very simple way, but on the Honda Africa Twin it's very different, and I'm going to be showing you how to actually check that and what the oil is actually used for on this Honda Africa Twin. Right guys, so down here on the left side of your Honda Africa Twin, this is your crankcase. This is the crankcase side. Now, many of you will notice the DCT, but on the DCT side, there is nothing to touch there apart from a filter. On this side, however, there's quite a few sections that you guys probably won't be aware of. Obviously, it's very easy to just look up, and many people don't look it up, and this is why I'm doing this video, just in case, to actually save somebody a lot of time, in case they're trying to figure out how they check the oil level, because a lot of people will go to look through the little glass window that many manufacturers have on motorbikes, but this one in particular does not have that little glass. Now, this one is where you would top up your oil level through here. Okay, many people probably know that's where you top up your oil level. To check your oil level, now on these, you don't have to keep the bike level to be able to check it, because on these, if you just take this out right here, just take it out. Not easy with all the crash bars in the way. If we just keep on screwing that, you'll see here, we have a dipstick. Now, this is where Honda thought this out very well, and this is your dipstick. You see there's oil leaking there. Now, on these, this is what you use to check your oil level, a dipstick, which is really good. This is how manufacturers should all be. Put a dipstick to be able to check the oil, not keep the bike level, this, that, the other, to be able to check it. So you can see here, our oil is clean and obviously full as well. This is also used to check the DCT oil, because the same oil that you put into this bike is the same oil that it's using for your DCT gearbox. There isn't a separate oil for your DCT. So this is how you check the oil on your Honda Africa Twin. It is very easy to actually get to, very easy to check, and it makes it a lot more easier to check, because you don't have to be putting the bike level, this, that, the other. And always remember to check your oil when cold. Do not check the oil when hot. That is not a good thing to do. And all you do is just slide it back in, just like that. Just turn it until it goes back in there. It does take a lot of turns to be able to turn it off and to turn it back on, to actually fully close it. But once you're done, you're done. It's that simple. It really isn't hard to check the oil. Like I said, that wants to fill it, that wants to check it. And that's all it is, guys. And like I said, the same oil you put in here is used for the DCT. The filter for the DCT is on the other side. It's behind a little round pit, which I'll show you on another video going forward. But that's all you need to change on the DCT side, is the filter. And obviously you've got your engine filter, which is situated just underneath here, underneath your skid plate. Take that off and you can get to the oil filter, and then that's where you top it up, and that is how you check it. Very easy. So there you have it, guys. That's how simple it is to check the oil on your Honda Africa Twin. Because I know many people, when they go to service their bike, they're going to be looking for a DCT filter, and also where to change the fluid from the DCT. But the same engine oil is used for the DCT. The only difference is that the DCT's got its own separate filter. That will need to be changed. Like I said, I will be doing a video coming up on that, because I think I'm going to change them both on both these bikes, because people just don't ever seem to change them. They think, oh, as long as it shifts fine, never change it. No, you must change the filter on them. You have to. And I'll be doing a video coming up regarding that, because a lot of people, it's the same as on cars, don't think to change the fluid and the filter on the gearboxes, and you must change them. It's to prolong the life of the gears and the gearbox, and it's also to help give effortless gear changes while riding, because remember, it's a DCT. Oil is there to help lubricate the moving parts, and obviously to not cause so much friction so they don't wear out as quick. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope this video is going to help you. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much, and goodbye.